Open. Bam. Hey everybody, what's going on? How are you? Josh over at Fowado Technology Group here in Tampa. Hey, today we're going to be showing you guys a new product that we're bringing to the market. It's for the Matrice 200 series. It's the heavy duty carbon fiber payload release mechanism brought to you by us. So I got it here for you. I'm going to go ahead and show you it, show you the specs a little bit, kind of what it looks like on the aircraft. You guys tell us what you think in the comments below. All right guys, so this is it right here. Here's our Matrice 210, and this is our payload release mechanism for it. So if you've watched our other videos, you've probably seen our video with the Matrice 600 heavy duty payload release and how successful that was for customers and how well that unit worked out. So this is just, you know, the evolution of the product. So our dropper attaches to the landing gear right here. You're going to remove the landing gear, install our droppers, and reinstall it with the hardware that we provide, and then boom, now it's quick release. You'll be able to just loosen these screws and this will come off in just seconds. Installation is very easy because of the design. There is a quick release connector right here just to pop on and off, and then finally a wire holder to hold down the wire and keep it from moving around on you. So very simple, plugs right into the auxiliary ports in the back, and then the power XT30 power in the rear. All right guys, so let's talk about the hardware on this stuff a little bit. So we have carbon fiber reinforced nylon hardware. We have composite carbon fiber panels. We can't tell you exactly what these are made out of. It's kind of a secret, but you know, if you buy one, I'm sure you can figure it out. And then more nylon hardware. And then we have the aluminum dropper itself, which is very heavy duty and aluminum, will never fail on you or bend or break or something like that. So yeah, excellent hardware. I mean, everything's top notch. The cable, you know, everything has been shrunk wrap and then covered with protection to make sure that everything lasts a nice long time. You know, quality soldering and you know, a mass XT30 connector, so nothing cheap here on this payload dropper. Guys, I want to kind of show you a little bit more on how this thing actually works. So on the Matrice 200 series, you have your extended I/O configurations. So in the instructions that you're going to get when you purchase this thing, we're going to explain in detail on how to configure it. But what essentially is manage local configurations. You're going to find your settings that you saved and everything underneath here, and then you're just going to be able to activate the payload dropper using these two commands. So for example, payload dropper is closed right now. So we'll go ahead and give it the open command. So we're going to go over here, we're going to select open, load configuration, okay, and you heard it, and bam, it's in the open position now. And it's the same thing for when we want to close it. We're gonna go to our closed, load configuration, press OK, and now the payload dropper is closed. Open, closed. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate for you how this thing kind of works. So you know, and just showing you its weight capacity. So here's a 10-pound weight. We got it tied up with this just metal chain, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead. We already have it hooked up to the payload dropper. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is just press the open button on the controller, and this thing's gonna open and drop the payload. So we're gonna go ahead and just back the Matrice up a little bit from the truck. That way this thing can kind of hang directly below it. So we're gonna go ahead and press the open configuration. Load, open, bam. There goes our weight. And our Matrice is still good. We'll go ahead and close the dropper now. Still working great, so bam, that's that. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you how to put this thing onto the bird real quick. So the mounts are constantly attached, will always be attached. You can choose whether just to tighten these screws or take them out when you're not using the payload dropper. But essentially all you gotta do is come up to it. You're gonna put this over these screws and pull down. Same thing on this side, over the screws and pull down, and it's on there. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in and give it some life. Bam, and it's on. Now we're just gonna go ahead and tighten the hardware on the side. So we're gonna grab, pull down. So that's it guys, a quick video on how the Matrice 200 series payload dropper works from us. If you have any questions, please shoot us an email, give us a call. The item is available for purchase on our website right now, link in description below. And yeah, that's it.